student in a foreign language program learns 15 new words each week. Which graph best represents the relationship between X, the number of weeks the student has been in the program, and Y, the total number of new words the student has learned? So it would make sense when we're looking at these, just thinking of the problem, the more we study, the more we're going to learn. So it's going to be a linear relationship, but let's look at it and just start by putting this into a table. And if we get a table, we can really look at that linear relationship. So let's start basic. If we don't study for if we don't learn any new words, if we don't study for any weeks. So 0, 0, it's going to be proportional. Well, we're learning 15 words per week. So in 1 week, we will learn 15 words, and then 2, 30, and then 3, 45. So we have a table now, and now we can take this table and see if we can look at our answer choices and eliminate from there. So let's take a look. Looks like if we go to 1, 0, 0 works because it's at the origin, so it is a proportional relationship. So let's go 1, 15. Does 1, 15 match on that graph? It does. And then let's look at 2, 30. Does 2, 30 match on that linear graph? Looks like it does. And number 3, does 3 match to 45? It does. Now, that would tell us that if it have 3 linear relationship, that this one actually works. So A actually works. But let's look at the other answer choices. And let's go with B, 115. Let's put that dot on there. 115. You see how 115 doesn't hit on that linear relationship. So that one does not work because it would have to, if it's going to be a linear relationship, it has to land on that line. So let's look at C. Let's look at 115 again. We go 115. Nope, that one's off the line as well. So C does not work. And finally, let's look at D. It is proportional because it is on the origin, but let's go 115. And D does not fit on that. So the important part is if we create a table and plot all these points, they should fall on that linear line. So what's the correct answer for our problem here? A.